I fired my second editor in 2016 after 10 years, and I asked, "Why are you changing my book and putting in voices he supposedly is hearing in his head like a schizophrenic?" Louise responded, "Well, he would have to have been crazy to carve up those women in that way." I resonated, "If he was a schizophrenic, then I'm a schizophrenic. You've been brainwashed by social media. He was a killer." Then I hired my third editor/proofreader, Harold Winberg, who translated technical instruction manuals into 6 languages. I knew he would pay close attention to details and not change or distort the message. To understand one's psyche, as a trained psychologist I know, you have to start at the true beginning. You can't just jump into London 1888 during the Jack the Ripper murders and begin chapter 1 there because it's thrilling. At first glance he would appear a deranged psychopath, at the least. John or Jack was already a skilled horse slaughterer at age 17. He could slit the throat and sever the vocal cords of horses with a sharp knife, a silent killer. Oh, a knife, the Ripper. Why is a knife so much scarier than a gun? Because it's personal and intimate.